Go work. I have to get back to editing. And I'm hot as hell. I've been sitting outside. And then Jake has a camera in my face and I don't know why.
We're back to vlogging.
Yeah.
Courtney, you're vlogging. Business calls all day. This is all she does. Edits and business calls.
I have to edit more. You have basically one more that I haven't posted to
I gotta take this phone call. Ask her if we can evacuate with her, if that's okay.
Events canceled because of the hurricane.
Hurricane IRMA is coming to Florida. We're in Florida right now, and jobs are getting canceled, shoots are getting canceled. Don't know if we're gonna fly back to LA. Don't know what we're gonna do. But right now, don't tell me it doesn't look beautiful. So we'll see if we have to evacuate this condo for the hurricane and where we would go for that. And we might be going back to LA because of the hurricane, or we might not be. Might wait it out. We'll see what happens. Only the blog will tell.
I'm gonna go look at flights now. Like Friday until unknown, airport's gonna be closed. So Sunday it's gonna be closed. All the airports are gonna be closed. Sunday we'll find out when they're open.
Sunday. So there's Hurricane
Fun.
Harvey, now Hurricane IRMA.
Okay.
There was a massive fire out in LA, one of the biggest ones in recent years.
Fantastic. All right. Well,
Natural disasters are crazy. Don't even know what to say about them.
I like
They're
it.
unfortunate, and there's nothing you can really do about it except try to prepare as best as you can and, you know, hope for the best. So that's what we're gonna do.
Okay. Yep. Bye. Shit's crazy. So basically, shoots are canceled because there's a fucking hurricane. 2 shoots this weekend are canceled. Airports are closing Friday until at least Sunday. Sunday they will say when they're opening and we can fly again. Fun.
You guys, I gotta tell you why I'm vlogging again. Have a problem? I play games on my iPhone all the time.
It's a really bad problem.
Basically, to handle that, I'm vlogging everything I do now. So I can always just talk to a camera instead of playing a video game. So we'll see how long this lasts and how interesting this is. Yeah, shooting a product right now. Shooting a backpack right now. And yeah.